qualify for Level Roman 3 Electrical Inspector certification in North Carolina, several requirements must be met. Firstly, a valid Electrical Inspector U certification must be held. Secondly, the Level Roman 3 Electrical Inspector examination must be passed. Thirdly, specific courses must be completed, including the Administration and Enforcement, or an E course. The Administration and Enforcement course is essential because it equips electrical inspectors with the necessary knowledge and skills to perform their duties effectively. This includes enforcing electrical codes and standards, investigating electrical violations, issuing citations and penalties, and conducting plan reviews. These skills are crucial for ensuring electrical safety throughout North Carolina. The Administration and Enforcement course is designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of these key areas. It covers the legal and regulatory framework governing electrical installations, the technical requirements of the electrical code, and the procedures for enforcing these requirements. Inspectors learn how to identify code violations, assess the severity of these violations, and take appropriate corrective action. The course also emphasizes the importance of communication and collaboration with other stakeholders, such as contractors, homeowners, and utility companies. Effective communication skills are essential for resolving disputes, educating the public about electrical safety, and promoting compliance with electrical codes. Article 80 of the National Electrical Code covered special requirements for premises used for public assembly. It addressed safety concerns unique to large gatherings of people, such as emergency lighting, exit signage, and fire alarm systems. While Article 80 has been removed from the 2005 National Electrical Code, its key provisions have been integrated into other relevant sections of the code. This ensures that the safety requirements for public assembly spaces are still addressed, even though they are no longer contained in a single, dedicated article. The North Carolina Department of Insurance has confirmed that the Administration and Enforcement course remains a mandatory requirement for Level Roman 3 Electrical Inspector certification. This underscores the importance of this training in ensuring the competence and professionalism of electrical inspectors in the state. Attending the Administration and Enforcement course as scheduled is highly recommended. This will ensure that you are well prepared for the Level Roman 3 Electrical Inspector examination and that you possess the necessary skills to perform your duties effectively. The course will provide valuable insights into the electrical codes and standards, enforcement procedures, and best practices for electrical inspection. If you have any further questions or require additional information, you can contact the North Carolina Department of Insurance directly. Phone number is 919.807-6800. You can also reach them by email at. The Administration and Enforcement course goes into detail on topics such as the North Carolina Electrical Code, which is based on the National Electrical Code but may have state-specific amendments. Understanding these amendments is critical for inspectors in North Carolina. The course also covers the administrative procedures for obtaining permits, scheduling inspections, and resolving code violations. Inspectors need to be familiar with these procedures to ensure that the inspection process runs smoothly and efficiently. The A&E course also emphasizes the importance of ethical conduct and professionalism. Electrical inspectors are entrusted with a significant responsibility for protecting public safety, and they must adhere to the highest ethical standards. The course covers topics such as conflicts of interest, confidentiality, and impartiality. Furthermore, the A&E course provides practical guidance on how to conduct effective inspections. This includes techniques for identifying code violations, documenting findings, and communicating with contractors and homeowners. Inspectors learn how to use various tools and equipment to assess the safety of electrical installations. The course also covers the legal aspects of electrical inspection, such as the inspector's authority, liability, and legal recourse. Inspectors need to understand their legal rights and responsibilities to protect themselves and the public. The Administration and Enforcement course is designed to be interactive and engaging. It includes lectures, discussions, case studies, and hands-on exercises. Participants have the opportunity to learn from experienced instructors and to share their own experiences and insights. The course also provides a valuable networking opportunity for electrical inspectors from different parts of the state. The importance of continuing education for electrical inspectors is also emphasized. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, and inspectors need to stay up to date on the latest codes, standards, and technologies. The course provides information on continuing education opportunities and resources. The course curriculum covers many things. Firstly, it goes over the North Carolina Administrative Code and relevant state laws pertaining to electrical installations and inspections. Secondly, it teaches the proper procedures for permit application review, inspection scheduling, and documentation. Thirdly, it goes over techniques for identifying and documenting electrical code violations, including the use of inspection checklists and reporting forms. Fourthly, the course teaches effective communication strategies for interacting with contractors, homeowners, and other stakeholders. Fifthly, it discusses ethical considerations for electrical inspectors, including conflict of interest and confidentiality. Sixthly, it describes legal aspects of electrical inspections, including liability and legal recourse. Seventhly, it gives an overview of electrical safety standards and best practices. Eighthly, it offers guidance on using electrical testing equipment and interpreting test results. Ninthly, it goes over common electrical hazards and how to mitigate them. Tenthly, it shows examples of case studies of electrical accidents and code violations. 11th, it offers strategies for promoting electrical safety awareness in the community. 12th, it gives tips on how to stay up to date on the latest electrical codes and standards. The Administration and Enforcement course also includes a review of the National Electrical Code, with a focus on the sections most relevant to electrical inspections. The course covers topics such as wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and bonding. The code requirements for specific types of occupancies, such as residential, commercial, and industrial buildings, are also discussed. Inspectors learn how to interpret the code requirements and apply them to real-world situations. It's important to remember that the electrical code is a complex and ever-changing document. It is essential for electrical inspectors to have a thorough understanding of the code to ensure that electrical installations are safe and compliant. The ERNIC course helps inspectors develop this understanding and provides them with the tools they need to stay current with the latest code changes. Furthermore, the course covers the use of technology in electrical inspections. This includes the use of computers, tablets, and smartphones for accessing code information, documenting inspections, and communicating with stakeholders. Inspectors learn how to use software applications for generating inspection reports, tracking code violations, and managing inspection schedules. The use of technology can greatly improve the efficiency and accuracy of electrical inspections. The Administration and Enforcement course provides a solid foundation for electrical inspectors in North Carolina. It equips them with the knowledge, skills, and tools they need to perform their duties effectively and to ensure the safety of electrical installations throughout the state. By completing this course, aspiring level Roman III electrical inspectors will be well prepared to take the certification exam and to embark on a successful career in electrical inspection. Remember to always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and any applicable state and local amendments when conducting electrical inspections. The Electrical Code is a living document, and it is important to stay up to date on the latest changes. Furthermore, it's crucial to understand how electrical systems operate and the potential hazards associated with electricity. This knowledge is essential for conducting thorough and accurate inspections. You should also develop strong communication skills. As an electrical inspector, you will be interacting with a wide range of people, including contractors, homeowners, and other stakeholders. It is important to be able to communicate effectively with these individuals to explain code requirements, address concerns, and resolve disputes. You must also maintain a professional demeanor at all times and treat everyone with respect. Finally, always prioritize safety. Electrical inspection is a serious responsibility, and the safety of the public depends on your work. Take your job seriously and always be vigilant in your efforts to identify and correct electrical hazards. Some other tips for preparing for the Level Roman 3 Electrical Inspector examination include reviewing the National Electrical Code thoroughly, focusing on the sections most relevant to electrical inspections, practicing applying the code requirements to real-world situations, attending workshops and seminars on electrical inspection, and networking with other electrical inspectors. In addition, it's good to familiarize yourself with the North Carolina Administrative Code. This will help you understand the legal and regulatory framework for electrical inspections in the state. Moreover, you should be aware of the different types of electrical inspections that are conducted, such as rough-in inspections, service inspections, and final inspections. Each type of inspection has its own specific requirements, and you need to be familiar with these requirements. Don't forget to keep detailed records of all your inspections. This will help you track code violations, monitor compliance, and protect yourself from liability. Always follow proper safety procedures when conducting electrical inspections. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, and be aware of the potential hazards associated with electricity. The North Carolina Department of Insurance also offers a variety of resources for electrical inspectors, including training materials, technical assistance, and legal guidance. Take advantage of these resources to enhance your knowledge and skills. The Administration and Enforcement course also delves into the different types of electrical systems commonly found in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. This includes understanding the components of electrical systems such as transformers, switchgear, panel boards, and branch circuits. You will learn how to identify these components and how to assess their condition in compliance with the electrical code. Inspectors must be able to identify potential problems with electrical systems such as overloaded circuits, improper grounding, and damaged wiring. The course will teach you how to recognize these problems and how to recommend appropriate corrective action. The North Carolina Department of Insurance may update its requirements and recommendations, so it is helpful to check with them directly. Additionally, gaining practical experience by shadowing experienced electrical inspectors can significantly enhance your understanding and skills. This hands-on experience provides valuable insights into the real-world application of electrical codes and standards. The combination of formal training, practical experience, and continuous learning is essential for success as an electrical inspector. The Level Roman 3 Electrical Inspector certification in North Carolina represents a high level of competence and professionalism. By meeting the requirements for certification, you will demonstrate your commitment to ensuring electrical safety in the state.